Philippines is responsible for almost a third of the world's ocean plastic pollution, with 7 of the top 10 rivers contributing to the problem. The Pasig River in the Philippines is the world's leading source of plastic pollution. Efforts to restore the plastic river have been ongoing for decades. In 2015, over 9 million people died as a result of pollution. Plastic pollution is causing a global problem, with sea and landfills overflowing with the plastics. We can't live without plastic since it's lightweight, sturdy, and convenient, whether we realize it or not. The quantity of plastic we toss away is slowly strangling us. It destroys our seas and is found in our food, as well as the air we breathe. At the end of the day, everything that we throw away eventually goes somewhere, and that's where the problem begins. We are part of the problem. How can we be part of the solution as the world's most populous region in Asia?
Action and choices have the power to alter the world and promote environmental protection. There are numerous ways we can take to reduce our impact on the environment. If we all use the energy, transportation, and other commodities and services more wisely, we can reduce dangerous emissions in our air, land, and water.
The first way to reduce pollution is to practice the 3 R's concept, namely reduce, reuse, recycle. It is the best way to preserve natural resources, use energy and resources appropriately today, and protect the environment over the long term. The 3 ethical principles allow for the peaceful coexistence of life and nature.
Furthermore, we need to encourage more tree planting, which will purify the air by absorbing harmful gases. Government management of fertilizer use is crucial for maintaining soil fertility. Business that dump trash into rivers in the ocean should also be prohibited from doing so because it pollutes the water.
We have numerous of methods for lowering land pollution. The use of fertilizer and pesticides on agricultural produce must stop, as must the use of plastic bags and separation of household garbage.
In water pollution, adopting waste reduction technology, more environmentally friendly production methods, and effective wastewater treatment are all necessary to combat water contamination.
The air we breathe becomes more and more polluted every day. We can reduce the amount of air pollutants in the environment in 3 more ways: reforestation, industrial regulation, and lastly, the use of eco-friendly fuel.
One of the biggest dangers currently faced in our world, the widespread of problem of environmental contamination has impact on everyone. For instance, it might have impact on the water supplies we use for various purposes, or the air we breathe.
Now is the time for all of us to work together to protect the environment for both present and future generations.
In the end, we are to blame for the issue. Each and every one of us has the power to combat pollution in our daily lives. We have the power to change the world, inspire people to lead sustainable, ecologically friendly lives, and take charge of our own fate.